To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Prepositions. In this video, we will learn about prepositions. A preposition tells you where or when something is in relation to something else. Now let's look at some prepositions. In. The girl is in the box. On. The girl is on the box. Under. The girl is under the desk. Inside. The dinosaur is inside the box. Outside. The dinosaur is outside the box. Beside. The girl is beside the boxes. Among. The girl is sitting among the boxes. Near. The girl is near the boxes. Through. The dog walks through the hole. Into. The raccoon jumps into the box. In front of. The dog is in front of the boxes. Behind. The girl is behind the boxes. Between. The girl is standing between the boxes. Across. The girl jumps across. Out or out of. The dog jumps out. The dog jumps out of the box. Above. The dragon is above the box. Below. The dragon is below the box. Over. I throw the ball over the box. Onto. I throw the ball onto the box. Off. I kick the ball off the box. Up. I walk up the stairs. Down. Down. I walk down the stairs. Around. Around. The dog runs around the box.